McWane Ductile Coshocton is hiring for production entry level, maintenance mechanics, maintenance electricians, maintenance machinists. McWane offers competitive wages, great benefits packages, medical coverage, life insurance, sick and accident, and retirement through Fidelity. Essentially, we look for individuals that do have anywhere from 2 to 5 years of manufacturing experience. However, if an individual wants to join the McWane team and they are results driven and they have a desire to learn, we will provide the essential resources and tools for you to be successful within your job.
It's good to see a group this big. Appreciate your interest. Like I say, we'll do our part and need to do yours.
A new hire comes into the facility as a labor pool employee. The labor pool employees can work in many departments. We have the melting department, casting and finishing. Labor pool needs to be flexible. New hires receive 2 weeks of training. There is 40 hours of classroom, and then there's 40 hours of a boot camp. Safety is absolutely critical. We provide all the protective equipment that employees need to keep themselves as well as their coworkers safe. The qualities of the best employees are individuals that work safely, that work as a team, and understand that it's important to produce a quality product. McWane Ductile Coshocton has open interviews every Tuesday from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Please feel free to stop in and we will interview you and take you on a tour. Come join us at McWane Ductile. It's not just a job, it's a career. Be iron strong.